invited, nigga. Who the fuck? No, you can't come to my party. I did not respond to that nigga. Oh God, I did not respond.
That's why they mad.
Who gives a fuck, nigga? I'm having this shit. I'm the richest nigga. Yeah, these niggas can eat a dick. These the niggas the least of my worries. Actually, I don't have no worries. I just made $150 million off a Souljaboy game. These idiots can never release a game console. Fuck niggas. Imbeciles. Y'all niggas is idiots. That's what the fuck y'all is. Y'all niggas idiots. Bitch, I got a whole video game console. I'm get a whole nigga gamble with your life. Crap out. Why not? Gamble with your life. Fuck, nigga. Fuck you talking about? It's nothing. Man, cut your tell these nigga these hoes. They hoes.
Man, them niggas hoes, man. Them niggas hoes, man.
Fuck, niggas. Oh God, nigga talking about you can't come, bitch. I wasn't planning on coming there no way. I'm in the motherfucking hills and shit and mansions and shit. What I would have come down there for anyway, nigga? The fuck? Nigga get shot at 100 times again. Shit. Bitch ass nigga.
We in New York, though.
Oh God, we in New York. Pull up, nigga.
Feel me?
Come to New York with that fuck shit, nigga. We're doing your tour. Check the Ticketmaster.com. We'll be in Memphis November the 20th. If y'all want to come earlier, send me the address. I could be there Monday morning. That's when I'm done with my last show. Nigga, we never ran from nothing. Not ducking no phase and not running from no smoke. Especially not a nigga that got shot at 100 times and running and got shot in his ass and is a fuck on. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. God. What you talking about, nigga? The internet be so in love with Big Draco because I spit the real. And I do something. Bitch.